Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. I do a lot of stuff, yard work, tool repair, home fixes, anything that basically is going to show you how to do something or save money. So right now, I'm walking around the final video of this property. This is exactly how everything looked before I even got started. So I'm just giving you an idea of exactly how many bushes we're dealing with. So finally, now I'm down to the last bush, and after this, I'll show the entire cleanup and whether or not this tarp trick was actually worth using around this entire property.
Surplus DIY is about to come on.
The technique is simple. Before you cut, lay down the tarp. This is the part that makes the cleanup so much easier. The trimming part is just one part of the job, but the cleanup is where the tarp really helps. Instead of letting all of the clippings fall into the mulch and grass, you want to just use the tarp. It catches most of it right here. And then you just basically just get rid of it, put it in the bag and get rid of it. Once you're done, just move the tarp over to the next bush. And that's it. Okay, y'all ready to see the reveal? Let's go. Let's do it.